you still doing connect the dots activity sheets like this? Then, in this tutorial, I will show you an easy way to do it and in less time. So be sure to watch till the very end of this video. First, go to ChatGPT, click on the create an image, and add your prompt. Or you can also use mine. Just comment on prompt and I'll share it with you. Then, let's wait for a couple of seconds. And there you go. Super easy. I also just want to mention that maybe most of you can generate 10 in one go because even if you use the same prompt, AI can still give different results because it generates images randomly and not in a fixed way. Also, some accounts or versions may interpret prompts differently or not fully support generating multiple images at once. So, what you can do is after it gives you one image, you can do a second prompt and say, give me another image style or something like that. In that way, you can still generate different design. So you can choose here if you want to generate only this image or all 10. Then go back to Canva and add your generated images. And there you go, super easy. So if you want these images, comment down Canva template and I'll freely share it with you.